JDCap26 here, industry tips and pairs and hobbies, and I want to show you how to adjust the trigger on the Webley tempest, and we're going to get a close-up view of this, so let's go to that. So we're in a close-up view, and you see this little grub screw? It's an Allen screw right there. You want to first cock your Webley, and then go in there. And if you want to make the trigger looser, you go counterclockwise with your Allen screw. Of course, this Allen wrench does not fit. I'd have to get one that fits. So you go counterclockwise. Don't go too much. You don't want to lighten the trigger up too much. You go a little bit at a time, test it. And then if you want to tighten it up and make it a stronger trigger, you go clockwise with that. Okay, so that's how you adjust the trigger pressure on a Webley tempest. I hope this helps you, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.